You've done all the hard work to complete your client's project on time, but now you have to get paid. That means you need an invoice. But the truth is, that won't happen as if by magic. With the FreshBooks free invoice creator, you can make a ready-to-send invoice in minutes. Visit freeinvoicecreator.com in your browser. Here, you can create and download a customized and professional invoice to send to your client and get paid. Want to see how it works? Let's get started. Scroll to the invoice editor. First, fill in the basic information. This includes your company name, email address, mailing address, and country. Then, fill in who the invoice will be billed to. In this case, your client's mailing information. To help keep all your invoices organized, and for easy tracking, include an invoice number. FreshBooks pre-fills the date field for you using the date you visited the free invoice creator. But in case you need to edit the field, click on the calendar icon and adjust the date to your liking. Now that the basic information is complete, it's time to fill in the meat of your invoice, your line items, and descriptions. First, let's adjust the currency of your invoice. Click Change Currency in the right panel to select the appropriate one. Now, to add your item or service, click on Enter an item name. As a pro tip, you may want to add a short description of the service you provided to eliminate any confusion. Next, add your rate, the number of hours you're billing for, then watch the line total automatically calculate the amount owed for you. If you're billing for multiple items or services, click the Add a Line field and repeat the process. To add taxes, you can do this from two places, on the individual line item or in the tax field below. Simply add the appropriate percentage and FreshBooks will do the math for you. And whether you're trying to charm a new client or have a limited time offer, you can also add a discount on your invoice. Once all of the line items, taxes, and discounts have been filled in, the total amount due will appear at the bottom of the table, and will also appear in the Amount Due field near the top. Now, let your client know when the invoice must be paid by. You can use the Terms section to do this. And, as a cherry on top, add a nice thank you message in the Notes section. Now for the fun part. Let's customize the look and feel of your invoice. On the right panel, click on Custom Invoice Style. Here, you can choose from either a simple template, where you can add your company logo, or a modern template, where you can add an image. For this example, let's use the simple template. Add a logo. Then, customize the invoice color to best reflect your brand. We included a link in this video's description to help find your brand's color code. Once you're happy with the way it looks, click Done. Review your invoice by clicking Preview Invoice. And when it's good to go, click the big green Download Invoice button to enter your email and download your invoice. Voila! You'll receive your invoice instantly and will also get it in your inbox for safekeeping. Visit freeinvoicecreator.com today to start building yours.